dive into the intricate world of animal behaviour, where every action has a purpose and every instinct a reason. Our planet teems with a diverse array of creatures, each unique and each possessing a suite of behaviours that might seem strange, even bizarre to us. But rest assured, in the grand theatre of life, every act, every scene and every player has a role. Animal behaviour, as peculiar as it may seem to us, is a result of millions of years of evolution. Each action, each instinct is there for a reason, often crucial for the animal's survival. Take, for instance, the skunk's infamous foul-smelling spray, a powerful deterrent against predators, or the chameleon's ability to change its skin colour, a feat it uses not only for camouflage but also for communication. Then there's the humble honeybee performing intricate waggle dances to communicate the location of food sources to its hive mates. These behaviours, while bewildering to us, are a testament to the wonder of evolution. They are the tools that animals have developed over millennia to survive and thrive in their respective environments. But it's not just about survival. Animal behaviour can also be about the race to reproduce. Consider the peacock's extravagant display of its colourful tail feathers, a spectacle designed to attract a mate, or the salmon's arduous journey upstream to return to its birthplace, a voyage undertaken solely to spawn and ensure the continuation of its species. So, while we may find some of these behaviours strange, even comical, they are in fact the result of a complex interplay of genetics, environment and survival pressure. They are a testament to the versatility and adaptability of life on Earth. So gear up as we delve deeper into these fascinating behaviours that set the animal kingdom apart. Each episode will explore a different aspect of this intriguing world, from the colourful communication of chameleons to the peculiar play-dead strategy. Prepare to be amazed, intrigued, and perhaps even a little bit baffled as we journey into the mysterious world of animal behaviour. Ever wondered why chameleons change colour? It's more than just camouflage. Chameleons are famed for their ability to change their skin colour, a trait that has fascinated scientists and animal lovers alike for centuries. But if you thought chameleons changed their hues only to blend in with their surroundings, think again. This colour change phenomenon is a much deeper form of communication. For chameleons, changing colour is a language. It's their way of saying, "I'm happy, I'm scared," or "Stay away, this is my territory." A calm chameleon might flaunt a pale green, while an agitated one could display a dark red or brown. So, their colourful displays are not just a pretty sight, but a clear message to others around them. But that's not all. Chameleons also use their colour-changing ability to express their moods. Just like humans, chameleons have good days and bad days too. On a good day, a chameleon might be a vibrant green or blue. On a not-so-good day, it could turn a dull grey or brown. So, if you ever come across a chameleon, remember to check its mood ring, skin. Now let's talk about another fascinating reason behind their colour changes: temperature regulation. Chameleons are ectothermic, which means they can't regulate their body temperature internally, like mammals do. Instead, they use their skin as a thermal regulator. When it's cold, they'll darken their skin to absorb more heat from the sun. When it's hot, they'll lighten their skin to reflect the sunlight and stay cool. In conclusion, chameleons are the true masters of communication in the animal kingdom, using their skin as a canvas to express their feelings, assert their territory, and regulate their body temperature. Their ability to change colour is not only a survival tactic, but a complex and sophisticated form of communication. So the next time you see a chameleon changing colours, know that it's not just about blending in, it's a whole new level of communication. Did you know that honeybees dance to communicate? Let's discover the secret language of bees. In the world of honeybees, there's a dance floor right in the heart of the hive, and every buzzing participant is a tiny dancer with a purpose. This isn't a random jitterbug, but a carefully choreographed ballet known as the waggle dance, a remarkable method of communication unique to the honeybee. Picture a single bee, just returned from a successful forage. She's discovered a new source of nectar, and she can't keep the news to herself. She takes to the dance floor, shaking her body in a specific pattern, a figure-8 loop that looks like a waggle. This dance is her way of sharing the exciting news with her fellow bees. But this isn't just a jubilant jig. The waggle dance is a coded message, a set of instructions, a map to the treasure. The direction of the waggle tells the other bees which way to go, relative to the sun. The speed of her dance indicates the distance to the food source. The more vigorous the dance, the closer the source. Imagine, if you will, a bee performing this dance. Her direction indicates the route, her speed, the distance, and the pattern of the dance, the quality of the source. It's like she's saying, fly towards the sun for about 500 meters and you'll find a field of flowers bursting with nectar. The other bees watch attentively, decoding the dance and memorizing the route. Once they've got it, they take off in search of the promised bounty. It's a remarkable display of nature's ingenuity, a complex communication system in a creature so small. The honeybee's waggle dance is a testament to the intricacies of animal behavior, a fascinating demonstration of how even the smallest creatures have evolved sophisticated ways to communicate vital information. So, the next time you see a honeybee, remember, she's not just a pollinator, she's a dancer, a navigator, a communicator. So the seemingly random dance of a honeybee is in fact a sophisticated GPS guiding its fellows to a sweet treasure. Ever seen an animal playing dead? It's a bizarre yet effective survival strategy. In the grand theatre of life, some animals have mastered the art of deception using a unique survival strategy that we might find rather peculiar. Yes, we're talking about the odd yet fascinating tactic of playing dead. This strategy, known as thanatosis or tonic immobility, is a defense mechanism used by a variety of species when faced with a predator. Let's take a closer look at one of the most famous practitioners of this strategy, the opossum. Affectionately known as playing possum, this marsupial has turned playing dead into a high art form. When threatened, an opossum will fall into a semi-comatose state. Its body goes limp, its breathing appears to stop, and its tongue hangs out of its mouth. The performance is so convincing that most predators lose interest, thinking the meal is already spoiled. But how does it work? The opossum's stress response triggers a paralyzing fear that puts them into this state of apparent death. It's not a conscious act, but an involuntary reaction. The opossum doesn't decide to play dead. It's an automatic response to extreme fear. Why is this strategy effective? Well, most predators are after a fresh kill. They're keen on the thrill of the chase and prefer their meals lively. Coming across an animal that appears to be already dead can be off-putting to a hungry predator, making the dead creature less appealing as a meal. But the opossum is not the only one. Many animals, from insects to birds, employ this strategy to evade their predators. For them, it's a matter of survival, a way to live another day in the wild, unpredictable world of nature. So, the next time you come across a creature appearing lifeless, don't be too quick to assume the worst. It might just be an animal employing one of the oldest survival tricks in the book. Playing dead, a tactic strange to us yet a lifesaver in the wild world. Migration, a remarkable journey undertaken by numerous species, but why do they do it? Well, this phenomenon is a testament to nature's most fascinating spectacles. Animals, both large and small, embark on these journeys for a myriad of reasons. Let's delve into some of these, shall we? First off, the pursuit of pleasant climates. As the seasons shift, so does the availability of resources, prompting many creatures to migrate. Monarch butterflies, for instance, flutter thousands of miles from North America to the warmer climes of Mexico, avoiding the harsh winter. Similarly, Arctic terns make the longest known migration, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back in search of endless summer. Another significant reason for migration is the quest for food. The great wildebeest migration in Africa is a prime example of this. Every year, around 2 million wildebeest, along with zebras and gazelles, make a perilous journey across the Serengeti in search of greener pastures. This epic voyage is not only a fight for survival, but also a demonstration of the instinctual need to find sustenance. Breeding too plays a role in these grand journeys. Salmon, born in freshwater streams, migrate to the ocean only to return to their birthplace several years later to spawn. This upstream swim against powerful currents exemplifies the lengths animals will go to ensure the continuation of their species. And let's not forget the lesser-known but equally impressive migrations. Tiny hummingbirds weighing less than a nickel fly non-stop over the Gulf of Mexico, while the globe skimmer dragonfly makes a multi-generational journey that spans continents. Migration is more than just movement from point A to point B. It's a dance choreographed by the rhythms of nature, an instinctual response to the changing environment. It's a journey fraught with danger, yet undertaken with unwavering determination. Migration, a testament to the incredible endurance and navigational skills that animals possess. These migratory marvels remind us of the resilience and adaptability inherent in the animal kingdom. Truly, nature never ceases to amaze. Why do some animals prefer the cover of darkness? Let's uncover the secrets of nocturnal life. Life in the animal kingdom is a continuous dance of survival, and for some, the rhythm of this dance is dictated by the night. These creatures, known as nocturnal animals, have evolved to thrive under the starlit skies, where they employ a unique set of skills that sets them apart from their daylight-loving counterparts. So why are some animals nocturnal? The answer lies in the basic principles of adaptation and survival. For instance, in the blistering heat of desert landscapes, nocturnal habits allow creatures to avoid the sweltering daytime temperatures. On the other hand, in densely populated forests, the cover of darkness provides a perfect camouflage against predators. Nocturnal animals are not just night lovers, they're master navigators of the dark. Their sensory systems are specially adapted to function in low-light conditions. Take the case of bats, for example. Despite being virtually blind, they use echolocation, a kind of biological sonar to navigate and hunt in the pitch-black night. Similarly, owls have large forward-facing eyes that grant them excellent night vision, which, combined with their silent flight, makes them lethal nocturnal predators. Being active at night also means less competition for resources. When the sun sets, a whole new world of food sources becomes available, from insects that only come out at night to vegetation that blooms under the moonlight. Nocturnal animals take full advantage of this bounty, foraging and hunting under the cover of darkness. But it's not all about food and survival. The night also serves as a backdrop for social interactions and mating rituals. Fireflies, for instance, use their bioluminescent signals to attract mates in the dark. In the animal kingdom, nighttime is not just for rest, but a time for hunting, foraging, and staying safe from predators. The nocturnal life is a testament to the incredible adaptability of animals, each finding their unique way to survive and thrive in the ever-changing world they inhabit. Some animals are born architects, discover the wonders of animal construction. Our journey into the wild continues with the animal kingdom's astonishing builders. The world is full of nature's architects, each crafting intricate structures that serve a unique purpose in their lives. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, these creatures showcase an impressive array of building skills. Take the beaver, for instance. Known as nature's engineer, the beaver constructs complex dams using logs, branches, and mud. These dams not only provide a safe haven from predators, but also create a pond environment where beavers can easily access food during the winter. Every detail in the dam's design serves a specific function, a beautiful testament to the beaver's innate architectural prowess. On a much smaller scale, we find the humble bird crafting nests that are nothing short of art. Birds weave together twigs, leaves, and sometimes even their own feathers to create a cozy home for their eggs and chicks. Each species has a unique nest design, tailored to its specific needs and environment. From the simple cup-shaped nests of robins to the elaborate hanging palaces of weaver birds, these avian architects truly know how to sculpt their homes with finesse. Now, let's venture underground to the world of termites. These tiny insects build towering mounds that can reach up to 17 feet in height. These mounds are not just piles of dirt, but intricate labyrinths of tunnels and chambers, complete with ventilation systems. The termite mound's design helps regulate temperature and humidity, creating an ideal environment for the colony. These examples are just a glimpse into the fascinating world of animal architecture. Each structure, whether it's a dam, a nest, or a mound, is a reflection of the animal's instincts, needs, and environmental adaptations. From tiny insects to large mammals, The animal kingdom is full of incredible architects, each with a design that serves a unique purpose. So, as we marvel at the architectural wonders of our own species, let's not forget the equally impressive builders in the wild.